Hey, math learners, I'm going to tell you a story, and I want you to tell me if it's a subtraction story, which means that some things got taken away, or if it's an addition story, which means that some things got added. So I have here, and then I also want you to write the equation. So I have all these frogs that are going to hop in. Here's the first froggy. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 frogs there. And they're all friends. They're talking to each other. Hello, hello. It's so nice to see you. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me in the pond. So they're all talking to each other. And when you hear a number, you should write it down. So there's 4 frogs talking to each other. So you should write a 4 down, right? And then I'm going to give you the key word. But 2 of the frogs think, oh, there's another pond on the other side that I want to go see. So 2 of the frogs go away. They hop away. What does that mean? Here they go. 1, they're hopping away. Does that mean plus or minus? Minus means take away. And then how many frogs went away? 2 of the frogs. How many? This means are left. How many are left? You write the answer down. So the story I just told about the 4 frogs being at the pond is this equation. There were 4, which is this number right here. And then 2 went away, which means minus. And 2 went away, which is why you wrote that number. And then this means whatever is left. And how many are left? 1, 2. Good. All right. So now I'm going to tell you a story, and I want you to write the equation without me writing it for you, okay? You ready? Now I'm going to give you a clue. This is going to be an adding problem, an adding equation. So you're going to have your frogs. And so here's little Froggy Freddy and Froggy Frida and Froggy Ferguson and Froggy Floppy, okay? And so you have how many froggies? When I point, you count. 1. So you should write that number right there. Now you're going to add some froggies to it. And do you remember what symbol that is? Do you remember that means you're going to add? So and then you need the number and then the add sign. Now, all these frogs here, do you see them? They see these frogs having fun with each other, so they want to join in. So here they come. Froggy Floppy, Froggy, Froggy George, and Froggy Hannah. Oh, so you had this many at first, and then you added this many. So how many do you have all together? 1 plus. So you should have written down this. You counted 4 frogs at first, 4. You should have this written down, plus, and then 3 frogs came in to join them. And then you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you should have written that down, okay? 4 at first plus 3 equals 7, okay? Now, we have 7 frogs here, and they're all having fun. But some of them feel it's too crowded, so they want to go away. So you would write 7 and then a takeaway, and let's take 3 away. 7 take away 3 equals, write that equation out, okay? And show me. All right. So those are stories of adding and subtracting. So you do those 2 stories. Now I want you to make up your own story with your own bugs or little cubes. And it can be an adding story or a subtracting story. So you would tell me a story and then show me, okay? Have fun.